My name is David Rickman. I work for Sundt Construction on the job here building the dam in Seguin, Texas on Lake Placid, and I'm running that 248 behind me. I set steel, I set forms, I fly in equipment down in the hole for excavation, and skid steering for pulling dirt, skid pans, and wooden forms, metal forms, and the end result will be the gates. They're like 46 feet long. There's 8 of them all together, 4 for each bay. We're going to also do caps and columns up here for this trolley for the overhead crane. It's going to be putting these big gates in there to block off where they can shut off the water so that they can repair anything they need to repair. And there'll be, along with those gates, there'll be pistons, big long pistons, cylinders to lower and raise the gates, and concrete, pouring concrete down there too. It's basically material, flying all kinds of materials for the guys up top and on the bottom. One of the great things about this crane is, for this job in particular, is it's crawler crane, so there's no outriggers to be setting up. It's easy to be mobile. I can pick and carry stuff when I need to. It's got a lattice boom, and it's a very smooth operating crane. I was there present watching the assembly, and it looked pretty dang easy. One guy could almost do it by himself. The comfort this crane offers me is physically, I like a lot. I personally enjoy it. It's not roomy in the cab, because I'm kind of a taller guy. Suits me good. The seat is nice and comfortable. The controls are great. The swing is smooth. The boom up and down is smooth. The winches work really nice. I'm not a super tech guy. A lot of computers are complicated. This one is not. It's easy to understand, easy to comprehend, easy to make adjustments. Anything you need to adjust on there is very straightforward and simple to use. Thumbs up on that. Travel is nice. It's smooth. It travels evenly. It's got a fast and a slow mode, so I'm really satisfied with that. The picking and carry, all the levers and the tracking works great while they're at the same time multifunctioning. In other words, it's nice. I have no issues with that at all. It's exceeded in my personal opinion. I mean, I really am satisfied with this crane. It does everything I needed to, when I needed to do it, picking stuff up, swinging it over, booming down. All the hydraulic speeds are great. All that works really nice. It's performing excellent. It's got 3,500 hours on it that I put almost all those on myself. Yeah, it's one of the smoothest cranes I've run. So if I'm traveling and I need to swing, or I need to boom down or up, or winch up or down, all of that works nice and smooth. You can slow everything down if you want to, all your crane functions. I've run a lot of linkbelt cranes in my life, mainly the RTs in my early career. I really like them too. And that swing on this one's nice. You can free swing it, or you can do the brake swing, but this also has a crane swing lock. In addition to a 360-degree lock, a house lock, you can actually lock the boom in a certain swing spot with a little quick tap of a button. That's great, because in a windy day or something, you don't have to feather it and fight in the wind. You can just lock it where you need it till the job part is done, unlock it, go get the next thing and bring it back and do the same thing over again. It works great. Like I say, it's one of my all-time favorite machines that I personally run in 30 years.